All right, folks, we're still working on the take-home quiz, and I'm on the back side where we're doing the short answer. And so this is question number 6, and the one I want to look at with you guys is 6D. The question says, which of the above compounds, and those are the compounds 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, with Roman numerals at the top of the page. Okay, got to look up at those. Which of those can hydrogen bond with another molecule of itself? Now, this is a hint that you're not adding water or anything else. You're not making a mixture. It's just it and another molecule of itself, just like it. Don't add water in. The only one that can is the alcohol. That is number 1. So I've done one molecule of the alcohol here. You have to show a H bond, draw another molecule of the alcohol. Showed that in green. H bonds are shown by dotted or dashed lines, and they go from a hydrogen attached to an O to a lone pair on that O, onto another oxygen, and then hydrogen attached to an O to a lone pair on an O. So this is a lot like what water does, but you had to show the organic molecule. So that is a properly drawn hydrogen bond. You really only needed to show me one. These molecules line up in such a way that there are 2 of them. So that's the correct answer. 1 only. I'm now going to explain why one of the common molecules you guys picked, the aldehyde, why it cannot hydrogen bond. Okay. Review of hydrogen bonding. In order to form a hydrogen bond, you need 2 things. You need a hydrogen, and it's a special kind of hydrogen that is directly attached to an oxygen or a nitrogen. What that means is it cannot be attached to a carbon. Everybody who got this one wrong, go write that down 10 times. It cannot be attached to a carbon. The second thing you need is an oxygen or a nitrogen, because you're going to use the lone pair on that nice delta minus atom in order to do your hydrogen bonding. So you need those 2 things. So notice this is an O and an N, and we're going to write down really big here, not on carbon. It's in red. Ever. Never. No. Okay, you got it wrong. It's because you used a hydrogen attached to a carbon, and a lot of you used the aldehyde hydrogen, which is attached to a carbon. So if you got that hydrogen bonding question wrong, this is probably how you got it wrong. You used a hydrogen attached to a carbon atom. Here's a hydrogen, it's attached to a carbon atom. You can't use it for hydrogen bonding. You can draw on paper that aldehyde sitting next to another aldehyde, and a lot of you drew me this dashy line right here, but this is not the type of hydrogen we need for hydrogen bonding. It's on a carbon atom. It's not directly connected to this O. It's nearby, but that doesn't make it the type of hydrogen we need to do a hydrogen bond. So if you drew me this, you drew me something that doesn't exist on planet Earth, okay? No. Why? It's attached to a carbon. Don't do that. Don't ever do that again, okay? Promise me, people. All right, bye.